Hey everybody, just working on this fuel injector here for the 78, and I got to thinking about something. I'd like for you guys to check out my nephew's channel, Jax's Projects. Give him a thumbs up or something, you know. And if you're wondering why I'm in the suit and the get up, because these are very meticulous machines over here, and they need the precision and no dust and dirt. Oh shit. Yeah, never mind that. With that said, I'd like to give you a little PSA as well. That's public service announcement for you square hole round peg guys. Your ratchets, before you go to leave the shop at night, always turn them off so they're not dead the next morning when you come in, alright? Now where did I leave my precision hammer? Oh, there it is. I wonder if Taco John's is still open.